I picked up this I Love Fall sign at Target in the clearance section. It was 60% off. And it's just this cute little easel style sign, and it's two-sided. So you most certainly could do two images on either side. I'm going to work with the one. I started by painting it with Wise Owl white primer. And this is going to make sure that it blocks out any of the writing. I did paint both sides and allowed it to dry. I found this napkin at Christmas Tree Shop. It's just a really cute winter scene with a camper. I removed the two plies that needed to come off the back. And I'm going to decoupage it to the front of this little panel here. I'm going to be using a Gen foam brush and 1 Hour Enamel Clear as my glue. And I'm going to cover the entire 1 Hour Enamel on the sign. I did it in the top portion, then the bottom portion, laid it down, and now I put down some saran wrap with a brayer. The brayer just kind of rolls out the wrinkles, but most importantly, I make sure that it made contact with the glue, and then I applied the 1 Hour Enamel to the top and was able to tear off the edges. Isn't this cute scene? While the 1 Hour Enamel Clear was still wet, I sprinkled some glitter around the edges of my image just to give it a little glisten for snow. I wanted to pull out the red that was in the napkin. So I took this pinstripe ribbon and I made a bow, and it's just basically going from the right to the left with loops, and I did this 3 times. It's a loop to the right, a loop to the left. Then I took some wire and wrapped it around the center to hold it all together. I glued my ribbon to the top of my image. And I found this little spray also at Target. And I'm going to take off all these little balls, these little berries, and I'm going to glue them to the center of my ribbon. And this is going to hide that wire. And then I'm just going to clip the greenery and place it strategically with my hot glue gun and kind of tuck it underneath my bow. So now I'm going to place these little snowflakes that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. And now I have this cute little winter sign. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper, transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.